Welcome to the Sirchie Live Scan demonstration. This is an exciting new product line that we recently launched, and it significantly streamlines the process for capturing critical information. The base system consists of a scanner and a dedicated computer, whether it be a laptop or desktop, depending on your needs. And there are two different versions. There's a palm scanner that you see here, typically used for criminal processing and booking, and a 10-print scanner that's typically used for applicants. And then there are various options that you can add. And typically in the criminal processing, there's a camera for mugshots, facial capture, and scars, marks, and tattoos, a signature pad, and an iris scanner. The software integrates everything. It's very easy to use, icon-based, and it streamlines the process. So we'll go ahead and start. The first thing we do is we just want to click on Add a New Person. And the first screen that comes up has your agency information in it. And we'll pull down this menu. Instead of going through a full criminal booking, we'll select the criminal demo. Every screen has a blue bar at the bottom that you click to continue and advance to the next screen. So it's very easy and quick to move from one screen to the next. So the first screen that comes up is demographic information, where you put in all the individual's information. And there are, in an actual criminal booking, there would be many fields that have required information. If you try to advance to the next screen without that information being filled in, you'll see a red error message that tells you that you have to fill that information in before moving. And that ensures the integrity of the information and doesn't allow you to continue until all that information is filled out. You can also customize fields as you see fit. So if you have a need for unique information, you can customize that. So we'll go ahead and advance to the next screen. And this is where we start capturing fingerprints. So all we do is we click Start Capture, and visually it'll show you that we need to place 4 fingers on of your left hand on the scanner. So go ahead and do that, and the scanner will flash, indicating that it's scanned enough information, and it will come back with immediate results and feedback as to the quality of these prints. So you'll see here she's got 2 that are very good and 2 that are good. We're very happy with that print quality. We'll click Accept. And it'll move us to the next position, which is left index finger roll. So in the yellow box, she'll put her finger on the scanner until it turns green. She'll roll it across the screen. The scanner will flash and come back with rating on that one as well. And that's another good print. And we'll accept that. And then the last position in our demo is right thumb. She'll roll it across the green box, capture that information, come back with good rating on that one as well. So we'll go ahead and accept that. And it's that easy to capture the fingerprints. And the beauty of the immediate feedback here of the quality of each individual print is really important to allow you to rescan if necessary. The next screen allows us to capture palm prints. So we'll click Start Capture here. In the demo, we'll just ask for one, which is the upper section of right palm. And she'll put that straight down on the scanner, applying a little extra force because of the curvature of her hand. And then the scanner will flash and the image shows up on the screen. There's not a rating system here for palms the way there is for fingers, because they're scored differently. So you'll just make a visual decision based on what you think of that palm print. Click Accept. And then that will take us to the next screen. And so now we're into facial capture for mugshots. So we have a Canon EOS Rebel with a standard zoom lens on it mounted. We click Start Capture. It'll show an image of her. We click Snap. The camera will autofocus and then take the picture. And there we go, and that's really good resolution. We'll accept that. And it will automatically advance to the next screen, which gives us the opportunity to collect scars, marks, and tattoos. And there's 2 pull-down menus here. The first one allows you to decide whether it's a scar, mark, or tattoo. We'll select tattoo. And then the next menu allows you to focus on a particular body part. We'll say left arm. And we'll click Start, and she'll put her arm in the path of the camera. And when that's positioned where we like it, we'll click Snap. Camera will again autofocus, take the picture, and then we see that image. And then we have the ability to accept that or rescan if necessary. So we like that image, we'll accept it. And then you can do other areas for scars, marks, and tattoos, but we don't have any others we want to capture. We'll click continue to move to the next screen here. And this screen is for signature capture, and we don't currently have a signature pad attached, and it would be as easy as plug and play. Plug it in, and it would show up on this screen. We'll click OK and say that that device is not available, and we'll just click continue to advance to the next screen, which is for iris capture. And we have an iris scanner over here. So she'll look into the display here. We'll click Start Capture. And the scanner will make a judgment as the distance from the scanner to collect that information.
Please come closer.
So it will tell you if you're too close or too far away and allow you to move within a good range for a good image capture. So we like that image. We'll click Accept. So we've completed all of the capture of information, and now we're at the review, and you see the demographic screen again. You also see folders across the top. So you get a chance to review the demographics. You can also click into any one of these screens and review the image that you've captured. So for example, we can look at fingerprints. Once you're happy with all the information you have here, click Continue, and you'll advance to the screen that allows you to transmit. So our programmers will set up the information for your agency to transmit into your state, and that'll be available here in a pull-down menu. So you can do transmission of the records into the state, SBI, the Department of Justice, but you can also save to file or what other settings you would like. So this pull-down menu comes up here. It allows you to click your SBI, you select that, and you click Continue. So transmission has now been sent. And the last screen that comes up, it gives you the opportunity to print cards if you desire. The pull-down menu gives you the opportunity to select criminal, pre-printed, or blank, applicant, pre-printed or blank. So we would select criminal pre-printed, and then we just have to go and indicate the printer. You may have more than one printer available. Then you click print, and the cards are printed. And you end up with this as an example. So it brings us back to the home screen. You'll see that there's an icon here that allows you to search. So all records that are saved in here are available. Some are partial records, so if you started a session and you had to interrupt for whatever reason, those records are available. You can view those or you can delete them. There are records that are completed that are ready to submit, those that are awaiting response, and those were the responses received. You can also do a search by name, date created, date modified, various information to allow you to quickly, easily search through the database. So we'll just close that and back to the home screen again. So there are other icons here that allow you to import. So after records are sent to the state, they come back, they need to be retrieved, or if for some reason they needed to have some editing, you're able to do that. And then there's a configuration that allows you to change settings if necessary. So it's that simple and easy to use, very streamlined, and that concludes our demonstration.